Welcome to solverfy.
Hi there. This question asks us to draw a pie chart based on the purposes of for people to travel, and we have four purposes here. And I use abbreviation for simplicity. P denotes personal related reasons, and V is for visit friends, W is for work related, and L is for leisure. And we have different number of people who choose these four as their reasons. And now let's move on. We know that the sum of all the numbers will be 1000, which you can double check, which is also a very convenient number for our next investigation. And in order to draw a pie chart, we need to know the degrees that each of them has. So for P, it equals to 146 over 1000 times 360 degree, which will be 52.56 degree. And for the next, it is also the same way, 330 over 100 times 360 equals 118.8 degree. And we use the same procedure for the next two, over 1000 times 360, and we get 81 degree. For the last one, the same way, right? Over 1000 times 360, equals 107.64 degree. Okay, and let's move on to see how to draw our pie chart. In order to draw it, we first need to draw a circle. It is quite obvious. And we know that it is the number of people who has different purposes of traveling, right? Well, for the first one, for personal related reasons, there are 52. The degree is 52.56. Uh, it's slightly smaller than 60 degree. Let's just choose it to be here, but bigger than 45 degree, right? Okay, so the first one, P. And for the second one, it's 118.8, very similar to 120, but a little bit smaller than that. So let's choose it to be here. This is the second part. Visit friends or relatives. Let's move on to the third, work-related reasons. It's 81 degree, smaller than 90, so let's choose it this way. Okay. And here comes our last one, which is leisure. The degree is 107, which is approximately this part. So let's just write it here. Okay, there's one thing remaining to be done. Remains to be done. It is that we need to write down the percentage that each of them has. But it's quite obvious since the sum of them is 1000. So for personal reasons, 146 over 1000 times 100% gives us 14.6%. And for the next one, it is also obvious, 33%. For the next one, it is 22.5%. For the last one, it will be 29.9%. And if we add up all of them, we will see that it will give us 100, which is exactly the total percentage. So it is our pie chart. And we can see that among all of these reasons, visiting friends give us the biggest percentage of 33%, which means that a lot of people traveled because they want to visit friends or relatives. And for the first reason, it gave us the least percentage. And that's all. Thank you.